It's because they're all here. You want to pick him?
I want this one.
¿Quieres una dona?
Yeah. I want this one.
Chino, what did you get? What is it?
It's a unitary bind. Love them. Wait, who left this one open?
They left another one open too. Another one too, over there.
What is the most happening?
I don't think they close good.
Oh, look,
¿Qué? Nos tenía, o sea, es que él, como, pues,
Onto the
es que
main
no han dicho nada en la noticia, ¿no?
Do not wear white and eat pozole. Bad idea. Oh no! Say hello.
The hurricane, guys. The hurricane. Now we're out here side hustling, selling truck parts.
Yeah, since you didn't go to work, gotta still make money somehow. Well, you get paid either way. Done?
17 bucks I paid for this dash panel for my 02 Silverado. Quick 80 bucks, never hurt nobody. You gotta hustle out here, guys. It's free.
It wasn't free because it was $18.
18 bucks, but I mean the hustle is free. You just gotta be willing to do it. 17, 18 bucks I spent. Quick 80 bucks. Had the piece sitting there for over a year because I thought I was gonna keep my other truck. But that one's for sale too if anybody wants to buy it. I cut to the trap house. R.I.P. Spider-Man.
Edgar, walk like the wind is pushing you.
She is releasing her inner childhood. Go higher. Go higher. We got some kind of princess going all the way up there.
I believe I can fly.
Look at it.
You make that tole de nuez. We've been snacking all day long, guys.
Yep.
It's gonna be fire.
If more hurricanes come, we're gonna bulk up for winter for real.
Woke up, we're getting milk.
Just pull it.
Two.
Está sentado el niño.
No, puedes jugar allá. So you para que te sentaras.
Yo me siento.
We're literally ending the day how we started the day. Eating pan and café. But it's